Hello, my name is Luis Miguel. Today I am going to talk about self-confidence. This is an important topic because it helps in your daily life, in our studies, and in our future career. Self-confidence is the ability to believe in yourself and your abilities. It means trusting what you can do and making decisions with security. When a person has self-confidence, they feel comfortable with themselves and take action with, with fear. Self-confidence is very important for me as a student and as future professional. As a student, it helps me my participation more in class and express my ideas clearly. In my career, it helps me make better decisions and face change. For example, when I feel confident, I can speak in public with your faith and my opinion. Now we'll present a short dialogue about self-confidence. Do you think self-confidence is important? Yes, it is because it helps important pro in performance. How do you build your confidence? I practice my skill and I trust myself. Know what about the actions we are doing to build confidence. I am practice my skills every day to improve. My partner is working on communication and learning new things. Now we'll show a reflection in front of dialogue. What are you doing to improve your confidence right now? I am studying and practicing every day. I am also working on my discipline and learning new skill. This section help on vacation better every day. Here I can see a comparison with the people. Juan is more confident than Pedro because I practice more. Pedro is less confident, but is improving light in my light. Maria is the most confident person because Shelby is in the herself and takes action. This shows time confidence can grow with practice. In conclusion, self-confidence is very important with our lives. It helps us grow, learn, and achieve our goals. We can improve with practice, discipline, and a positive attitude. Thank you